Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening Excel and selecting Blank Workbook so you start with a clean slate. Save right away as XLSX and pick Cloud or a local folder so autosave can run. This prevents data loss. Next, create a header row and set column widths to match expected content. This makes later formatting easier. Once done, apply bold and a slightly larger font to headers so you can scan columns quickly, and name the file with a clear convention like date or version. You now structure and populate the sheet so it remains reliable as it grows. Convert your data range to a table with Ctrl+T. Tables auto-expand and simplify formulas with structured references. Make data validation lists for consistent entries and set number formats for currency, dates, or percentages. This avoids input errors. Apply conditional formatting to highlight outliers and use named ranges for important cells so formulas are readable. Finally, freeze the header row to keep context while you finish by creating summary calculations and a visual chart on a new sheet so your results are clear. Review with Print Preview, set orientation and margins, and export to PDF or CSV for sharing. Protect sheets or the workbook to prevent accidental edits and save incremental versions to roll back if needed. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot quickly. If formulas display as text, make sure Show Formulas is off and check for a leading apostrophe or non-general cell format.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.